For number 4, we're given a figure that looks something like this, where the x-axis represents time and the y-axis represents position. And we are asked at which point is the time of speed of the object the highest. So I got this question right because I did exactly what the professor explained on the video. I looked at the slope of h and I thought, okay, it's increasing, it looks good, and then I knew it couldn't be I because it's at 0 up here. Acceleration is at 0. But then I saw j, and if you look at the slope of j, it is a lot larger than the slope of y. Because of that, I found that the answer was E, letter J. You can look at the slope of k as well, and it won't be as steep as j, and the same with L. L is almost flat, not exactly. So the answer, once again, is J.